Hello everyone, welcome to Team channel, and today in this short video I'll show you how to fix iPhone stuck on move device closer to continue while transferring data from old iPhone to new iPhone. So before starting video, if you are new in this channel, then hit subscribe button and also don't forget to like the video. So without wasting time, let's start our video. So make sure that your both devices are closer to each other. So solution 1 is turn off Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi. So first of all, open Control Center on your old iPhone and turn off Wi-Fi. Then wait for 30 seconds and turn it on back. So after that, solution 2 we have is charge your iPhone. Plug your old iPhone into power and leave it until it charges 50% or above. Then continue the transferring process. So after that, solution 3 we have is restart your iPhone. So to restart, first of all go to settings, then scroll down and tap on general. After that, tap on shutdown at the bottom. Now turn off your iPhone by dragging the slide to the power off slider. Then wait for a minute and turn it on back. So now solution 4 is factory reset your both iPhones. So back up your iPhone before starting this process. First reset your old iPhone and then reset new iPhone. To do this, open settings app. Now find and tap on general. Then scroll down and tap on reset. Now tap on erase all content and settings. So tap on erase now if you did a backup already. Next, enter passcode of your iPhone and then tap on erase now to confirm this process. Hope so it will fix your issue, and if you like this video then hit like button. Also don't forget to subscribe Team channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.